Hi, it's Jen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about something that you may think is simple, but in terms of childcare and regulations can get kind of confusing. Now before we get started, if you want to see more protocols and training videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. And to remember that the regulations that I do, or the procedures that I do, follow the Massachusetts regulations. You always want to make sure that you check with your own local state to make sure that you are following the correct procedures. So let's get started. Okay, so table washing is a two-step process, and it is sanitizing. There's a difference between sanitizing and disinfecting. Disinfecting is for changing table surfaces or bathrooms, doorknobs. Sanitizing is for the surface that you play on or eat on. Anything that might go in your mouth, like a kid's toy, can also be sanitized. So the first step is to have soap and water. Mine is labeled soap. And I have it in a small bottle because this you want to change out daily. For the second step, you would either have your bleach and water solution, which is 128 ounces to 1 tablespoon of bleach. So if your solution smells like bleach, you're using too much. We use Force of Nature, and it's a cleaner that I started using 2 years ago. It is EPA registered cleaner and sanitizer and disinfectant. If you're interested in purchasing your own Force of Nature starter kit, I will leave the link below and you can purchase it through our affiliate. So let's get started. First step is you want to go ahead and wash your surface. So you go ahead and make sure all the surface is wet, like so. And then you just take your paper towel and you go ahead and wipe it. Like so. Like that. And then the second step is the sanitizing step. So you'd go ahead and spray this on your surface, your bleach and water solution or your Force of Nature or whatever EPA registered sanitizer that you use. And then for Force of Nature, you leave it on for 1 minute. If you're using bleach and water solution, it's 2 minutes. Okay, after the 1 minute is up for our Force of Nature, or 2 minutes if you're using bleach and water solution, you just go ahead and wipe it down like this. Or you can let it air dry if you don't need to use the table right away. So that's it. That's sanitizing a table. Now remember, if you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we have more coming.